Hi, I'm Julie Shane from Point Performance, and again today I'd like to talk to you about balance. Proprioception is the ability to know where you are in space. And so what happens is we get information through our legs, our feet, our joints, our muscles, our tendons that sends information up to our brain, and then that information comes from our brain back down and allows our muscles to create change in where we are so that we can maintain balance. And so we can work on balance in multiple different situations to improve our proprioception. So first, we can work on our proprioception and easiest on a hard surface, on the ground. Preferably maybe without your shoes on so that you're gaining as much information from the ground into your feet as possible. And we could work on balancing in a single leg stance, in a tandem stance, feet together, or feet apart, depending on what is challenging for you. And as that gets easier, we want to switch to alternate surfaces to challenge our proprioception better. And working on proprioception really creates a change in our ability to know where we are in space fairly quickly. So I'm going to move over to this foam here. And we can do similar exercises on the foam. So now I'm on a surface that's more unstable. It challenges my proprioception more than it did when I was on the ground. And now I can practice standing on one foot, my ankle's working hard, my proprioceptors are sending a signal up to my brain, and I am working on strengthening that ability to balance. This is really important after you've had any sort of foot injury, ankle injury, joint replacement, or just struggling with your balance. So to show you one other surface, over here to my right we have a Bosu ball, and I could work on standing on the Bosu. So you can see how different the surface is. It really alters in response to my weight bearing. And standing here, I could work on maintaining my balance. My ankles are working, and I am trying to balance, receiving all of that information and consciously balancing. As we practice this, it'll become more of a subconscious response to maintaining balance.